Okay, students. Morning to you all. Then, now we proceed with network analysis. Initially CPM, critical path method. Last class we drew a network as follows. We drew a network for the given question as follows: 1 to 2, 4, etc., etc. We came down to 10 numbers: 9 to 10, 7. 9 to 10, you have 7. Okay. So mark that. Now we proceed. Therefore, we have calculated, or you have found out initially network diagram. Now we calculate the values of the each events. We calculate values of each events and we proceed to calculate CPM, critical path method, critical activities or critical path duration. What are the important jobs to be done initially and how you can complete it, and the project is completed. We continue from here. First one, the next step you can say to find the values of TE, to find the values of E. Early, TE means early start time, ET means early time, calculation of early time. Here you can observe by seeing the network diagram, here it starts with 1, 2, 4, 9, 10, that is one path, etc., paths, etc. And you have marked the duration and with an arrow, here arrow, everywhere arrow. Okay. Therefore, we start with 1. Even if you consider this as an activity, before A and B, no activity is seen. Before A and B, no activity is seen. Therefore, before A, preceding no activity, or before B, no preceding activity. Therefore, we start with 1. Therefore, we initially write E1 equal to 0, starting point, Therefore, initially, if there is something above that, you have to mark that. This may be 1. Therefore, this will be E1, 0. Then E2, E3 changes over. Here there is no beginning. Therefore, we start with activity and B, no preceding activities. Therefore, we start with E1 equal to 0. Now, this is mentioned as E2. Early start time, E2. E2 is calculated as, therefore you can see the arrow 1 to 2. E2 will be E1 plus duration. E1 plus E2 will be equal to earliest start time of event A or activity A. If you say this is C, event activity C, therefore 2, 4 is the activity C, E2 is the early start time of event 2 under activity C. Therefore, E2 will be this number plus duration 4. Therefore, 0 plus 4 equal to 4. Therefore, this is equal to E1 plus duration. Now you go for E3. E3 is here, you can just see that E3 comes here, that is E1 plus duration. Equal to 0 plus 1. equal to 1. Therefore, E3 equal to E1 plus duration. Therefore, early start time of this particular activity. Therefore, equal to 1. Then, similarly, E4 equal to, E4 is here. E4 is here. E4 will be equal to, there you can see that you can reach to this event E4. You can see that E4 is reached either from here or either from here. That is, E4 is reached from starting from event 2 reaching to the 4. That is activity C. Similarly, 4 can be reached event 3 plus duration, event 3 and D is the activity. Therefore, event 3, from event 3 you can reach to 4. Either you can reach from 2 to 4 or 3 to 4. You can reach from 2 to 4 or 3 to 4. There you can see this is of the form this way. That is 2, 3, 4. Therefore, this is a concurring point. This point is a concurring point, 2 to 4 or 3 to 4, concurring point. Therefore, that calculation will be slightly different. That calculation is slightly different. Therefore, E4 will be this number E4 will be normally write maximum of E2 plus duration or E3 plus duration. E3 plus duration. 4 is reached, it's a concurring point, E2 plus duration or E3 plus duration equal to maximum of E2 equal to 4. E2 is 4 plus 1 or E3. E3 equal to 1 plus 1. E3 equal to 1 plus concurrency. Therefore, the maximum here will be equal to this is 5 to maximum equal to 5. Therefore, E4 equal to 5. E4 equal to 5. Concurring point 2 to 4 or 3 to 4. Concurring point. Therefore, E4 is required. E4. Then we calculate E5. E5. 4 after 4. E5. E5 is here. E5 is here. You can just see that 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. Therefore, E5 will be E3 plus duration. E3 plus duration equal to E3 equal to 1. 1 plus E3 equal to 1 plus duration 6 equal to 7. Then similarly E6 equal to, you can think of that, E6 equal to 6. E6 equal to E5 plus duration. E5 plus duration equal to E5 equal to 7 plus duration 4 equal to 11. E5 will be equal to E6 equal to E5 plus 4. Then E7. You can think of E7 only this way, but the arrow goes here from here. Therefore, E7 equal to E5 plus duration. E7 equal to E5 plus duration equal to E5 7 plus duration 8 equal to 15. E5 equal to 7 plus duration 8, E7. Then E8. E8 equal to, now you can see E8 equal to E8 either from 7 or from 6. E8 equal to you can write here either from 7 or from 6, or from 6, either from 7 or from 6. This is the meeting point. Again a concurrency occurs. 7, 8, 6. Here it is a concurrency. Therefore, E8 will be equal to a concurring point. E8 will be equal to you can write E8 equal to, after this you can write E8 equal to maximum of E7 plus duration, E7 plus duration, or E6 plus duration. E7 plus from here to this, or 6 to 8, equal to E8 will be E7 equal to 15. 15 plus 2, or E6 11 plus 1. Maximum of E7 equal to 15 plus 2, or E6 equal to 11 plus 1. Therefore, maximum equal to 17. Therefore, E8 equal to maximum equal to 17. Then E9, you can write E9. E9 you can see, E9 reaches from 4, E4 plus duration equal to E4 plus, that is 9 reaches from 4, E4 equal to 5, 5 plus E9, 5 plus 5, E4 equal to 5 plus 5, E9, E10 equal to last number. Again you can see, you can write 9 can be reached, E9 concurrency, E9 plus duration, or E8 plus duration, equal to maximum of E9 plus duration or E8 plus duration. Concurrency comes in. 10 is reached either from 9 or from 8, and here it is equal to E9 equal to 10. Therefore, you can write maximum of 10 plus, that is E9 plus 7, or E8. E8 equal to 17 plus 5, either or, 10 plus 7, or E8 equal to, E8 is 17 plus 5, 17 plus 5, equal to maximum of that 10 plus 17, and this is 22. Therefore, E10 equal to 22. E10 equal to 22. E10 equal to 22. I will repeat again. E1 starting point, E1 equal to 0. That is the point. Before this, no activity. Therefore, E1 is 0. E2 is obtained, E1 plus duration. E2 is obtained, E1 plus duration. That is equal to 0 plus 4. E3 equal to E1 plus 3. E1 plus duration. E3 equal to E1 plus duration. 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Then E4 you can see, E4 there is a concurrency, that is either E2 to 4 or 3 to 4, concurrency comes in. There you apply maximum of E2 plus duration or E3 plus duration, which is equal to E4 equal to E2 plus duration or E3 plus duration equal to maximum equal to 5. Similarly, E4, E5 will be, you can see E5 equal to, after 3, 5 comes in, therefore E3 plus 6, E3 plus 6. Then similarly E6. Here only change E8 equal to either from 7 to 8 or 6 to 8. Therefore, we write E7 equal to, E8 equal to maximum of E7 plus duration or E6 plus duration, which is equal to E8 will be 17. Similarly, the endpoint 10 will be either from 9 or from 8. Therefore, maximum of that equal to E10 equal to 22. E10 equal to, that is first calculation. Then you go back again, we start with this. L10 equal to 22. That is this number. L10 equal to, even you can write E10 equal to 22. L10 equal to E10 equal to 22. Then reverse process, we are doing reverse process. You have L9. Therefore, you have L10 equal to, I will simplify that, L10 equal to E10 equal to 22. Then E9 equal to, L9 equal to, L9 you can think of L9. L9 is here, that is you are returning back. Therefore, L9 is reaching from here. Therefore, L10 minus duration, L10 minus duration. You are reversing process. This is forward motion. This is reverse motion. Reverse motion. Therefore, L9 equal to, from here you are coming back. Therefore, L10 minus 7. Similarly, L8, you can see L8, again returning back, L8, from here this, L8 equal to L10 minus duration. Therefore, we didn't write L9. L9 equal to 22 minus 7 equal to 15. Then L8 equal to L10 minus 5, 22 minus 5. Then L7 equal to L7. L7 is here, again here back. In the reverse process you are not, because this is the arrow, upward arrow, reverse process you are not considering. L7 will be equal to L7. L8 minus 2, L8 minus duration. L8 equal to, this is equal to 17, 17 minus 2 equal to 15. L8 equal to 17, L7 equal to 15 minus 2, then 7. L6 is here, that is from here this. Therefore, L8 minus duration, L8 minus duration, L8 equal to 17 minus 1, 16. L6 equal to L6, this minus this. Therefore, L8 equal to 17 and L6 equal to 16. Now you come back to L5. L5 equal to, now you can think of this L5. You can come either from 7 or from 6. You can write either from 7 or from 6. From 6. Reverse motion, it can reach either from 7 or from 6. Here we write minimum of either from 7 or from 6. Either from 7 or from 6. E7 minus, sorry, L7 minus duration 8 or L6 minus duration 4. Reverse process, therefore you take minimum L7 minus 8 or L6 minus duration 4 equal to L7 equal to 15, L7 equal to 15 minus 8, 15 minus 8 you can write 15 minus 8 or 16 minus 4. L7 equal to 15 minus 8 or L6 equal to 16 minus 4. Minimum of that, here it is 7, this is equal to 12, therefore minimum equal to 7. Minimum equal to 7. L5 equal to minimum of 7. Minimum of that equal to 7. Therefore I am just rubbing away. Therefore L5 equal to 7. L5 equal to 7. Then L4, similarly, L4 you can calculate L4, L3, L2, L1. Now come back to L4. L4 is here. Forward motion concurrency, but in this return no. Therefore L4 will be L9 minus duration. L9 minus duration. L9 equal to 15 minus 5. 15 minus 5, 10. L4 equal to L9 minus 5. Then L3 equal to, L3 comes here. Here it reads. L3 comes here. L3 minus duration. L3 equal to L4 minus duration. L4 minus duration. L4 equal to 10. L4 equal to 10 minus duration 1 equal to 9. L2 equal to L2. It can come from 4. Therefore, L4 minus duration. L2 will be L4 minus duration. L4 equal to 10 minus L2 minus 1 equal to 9. And L1 equal to, now here you can see L1. Reverse process, it can come from 3 or from 2. Either from 3 or from 2 equal to minimum of, here you use minimum, reverse process minimum. Concurrency means maximum. L1 will be L2 minus duration, or L3 minus duration. L3 minus duration equal to minimum of L2 equal to 9, minimum of 9 minus L2 is 9 minus 4 or L3 equal to 9, L3 equal to 9 minus 1. I'll check it up again, sorry. L4 equal to 10, L3 equal to 1, L3 will be 1, L3, you think of L3, L3 equal to, L3 here, you think of that, L3 here, L3, there is a small change, you think of L3. L3 can be reached from either from 4 to 3 or 5 to 3. L3 can be reached either from 4 or from 5. L3 can be reached either from 4, L3, 3 will be this way, return, either from 4 or from 5. That is L4 equal to what? 10 minus minimum. Minimum of 10 minus duration, L4, 1, or L5 minus duration, or L5 minus duration, equal to minimum will be L5 etra, L5 7 minus 1, L4 minus duration, L4 equal to 10 minus 1 or minimum 10 minus 1 or L5 equal to 7 minus L5, 7 minus 6, either of minimum equal to 1. Here it is 9, here it is 1, minimum of that equal to L3 equal to 1. Then L2 will be L2 equal to L4 minus duration, L4 minus duration, 10 minus 1 equal to 9. L1 will be equal to, again you can see reverse concurrency, minimum of L2 minus duration or L3 minus duration, minimum of L2 minus duration or L3 minus duration, L3 minus duration. Now you can see that L3 equal to 1, therefore L3 minus 1, therefore equal to 0. I repeat, L3 equal to either from 4, either from 5, either from or 5, equal to minimum will be equal to 1. Therefore L1 will be either from 3 or 2, L2 minus duration or L3 minus 1, L3 equal to 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore we have found out all the estimates. TE, time estimates, you have found out. TE means time estimate. Starts from E1 equal to 0. Here what is the last number? E10 equal to 22. Therefore we write L10, E10, 10, 22. Then you are calculating reverse process. Now here only you have, here nothing, here also nothing, only here you have either or, from 4 or from, therefore we take minimum either or. Similarly here minimum either or 2 or 3. The other way all okay. Here again you have 5, L5 equal to, L5 will be either from 7 or 7, either from 7 or either from 6, equal to 7. Therefore you have L1, L2, L3, L4, etc., L10, and remember E10 will be equal to L10. That is the second procedure. From this we calculate the required EST, LST, LFT, EST, LFT, EFT, LST, LFT and float. All the 4 parameters earlier studied, and the total float. From finding the total float, we calculate the critical path and duration of the project. Therefore I write separately E1 equal to 0, E2, E3, E4, E5, then you have E6, E7, E8, E9, E10, E10. Similarly, L1, L2, L3, L4, L5, L6, L7, L8, L9, L10. L10 equal to 22. E10 equal to 22. E1 equal to 0. E2 equal to 4. E2 4. E3 equal to 1. E4 equal to 5. E5 equal to 7. E6 equal to 11. E7 equal to 15. E8 equal to 17. E9 equal to 10. E10 equal to 22. E10 equal to 22. 4, 1, 5, 7, 11, 15, 17, 10 and 22. Therefore, I am just cancelling this time being. And you can write L1. L1 equal to 0. Normally L1 should be 0 because that is the starting point. Sorry, L1 equal to 0. L1. L2 equal to 9. L2 9. L3 1. L4 L3 1. L3 1. L4 10. L5 7. L6 16. L7 15. L8 17. L9 15. L10 5 7 equal to 5 to 6 4 5 to 6 4 here it is 1 and L9 equal to L9 15 7 15 7 L10 equal to 22, L9 equal to 15 7 15 16 7 10 1 9 10 1 9 0. And remember, started with E1 equal to 0. E1 equal to 0. Similarly, L1 equal to 0. L1 is also equal to 0. E1 equal to 0. L1 came down to 0. E10 22. L10 also 22. Therefore, your calculation is correct. Therefore, check E2 equal to L2, then diminish it, and you come back to L1 equal to 0, E1 equal to 0. That is, starting point is 0 0. And balance you can write if you want. E2 means 4 and L2 9. L2 9. And it goes on like that. Forget it. I don't require that. 22 22. And remember this. Then you can write calculation of third step. Calculation of the parameters. Calculation of parameters EST. Then EST, then you need EFT. Then EFT, LST and LFT. LFT, LST, EFT, EST. And the first column, activity. Activity. Here you write total float. Total float, FLOAT, total float. Now you write activity, given activity. Given question activity 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, then you have 2 to 4, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 5, 4, 9, 5, 6, 5, 7, 6, 8, 6, 8, then 7, 8, other will be 7, 8, 8, 10, 9, 10. EST, EFT, LST, LFT, and last one float. Float. 1, 2, 1, 3. Oh, before one more column is there. One more column is there. Here you can have time. This is activity, and time given in the question. 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 Time. Time given is 1 to 2, 4, 1, 1, 1, 6, 5, 6, 5, then 6, 5, 5, 6, 4, 8, 1, 2, 8, 1, 7, 8, 2, 7, 8, 2, 10, 5, 7. Therefore, you repeat activity given in the question and time also record as given. Then, to fill EST, this column, to fill EST, that is EST for 1 to 2, EST for 1 to 2 activity. 1 to 2 activity, EST for 1 to 2 activity. That is, EST means early start time. Early start time of the activity 1 to. Early start time, early start time of activity 1 to 2. Early starting time of activity, that is the initially what time you should start the job, start the exam writing. Therefore, the 1 to 2, this is the starting point. Therefore, EST will be of the activity 2 will be, here we noted 1 to 2 means 1 is the beginning. For E1 equal to 0. 1 is the beginning, E1. You have calculated E1 equal to 0 or started with that. Then consider activity 1 to 3. Consider activity 1 to 3. 1 to 3. Again starting point is 1. Therefore 1 3 means E1 equal to 0. E1. 1 3 means E1 equal to 0. Then 2 to 4. Again similarly 2 to 4. EST for 2 to 4. 2 to 4. Here you can see 2 is the starting point. E2. E2 equal to 4. Then for 3 activity E3. E3 equal to 1. Again E3 5. Starting point 3. 3 5. E3 equal to 1. Then activity 4 9. Starting point 4. E4 equal to 5. E4 equal to 5. Then E5 7. You are calculated 7. E7, sorry, E5 itself 7 because E5, E5. E6 equal to 11. Then here 7 8 activity E7. E7 equal to 15. E8 equal to E8 17. E9 equal to E9. E9. E8 E9. E9 equal to E9 equal to 10. E9 equal to 10. Then after this no activity. Therefore E10 is the end. E10 equal to 22 20 sorry E10 is the end value. Therefore here you have 9 to 10. Therefore E9 equal to 10. Then consider this column. We will fill this column. LFT. LFT. Latest, the word is LFT. LFT means latest finishing time. Latest LFT means latest finishing time. Finishing time means what is the time at which you have to stop the exam answering. Latest finishing time. We said 10 to 1, 3 hours duration. Therefore you start by 10 a.m. and finish exactly by 1 noon. That is latest finishing time. After that you are not supposed to write. Therefore LFT means latest finishing time, which is equal to 1 normally. Which is equal to, we fill this column. LFT, easy form. LFT. Therefore EST you can have, LFT you can have. LFT, latest finishing time. Now you consider again 1 to 2. 1 to 2. That is from here to this. Therefore this ends. Activity 1 starts from here, ends here. That is E2 is the ending point. 1 to 2 means LFT will be 2. LFT will be 2. LFT means L2. 1 to 2 means E1 is the starting point, 2 is the ending point. Therefore LFT. Here you have L2. L2 equal to 9. Then for this 1 3, E1 equal to 0 and L3 for the activity 1 to 3. Therefore L3 equal to 1. Then 2 to 4, starting 2, ending 4, L4 equal to 10. Then again 3 4, L4 10. Then L5, L5 7, L5 7. Up to this you are covered. Then L9, L9 15. Then L9. Therefore this is then L6. That is 5 to 6. L6 16. L6 covered. Then 5 7. L7. L7 equal to L7. L7 15. L7 15. 6 8. L8. L8 17. Therefore you have come to L8 6 8. Therefore L8 you have. Then 7 8. 7 8 means L8. L8 17. Then 8 10. L10 22. L again L10 22. Therefore you consider this E1 and this as for the activity 7 8 L8. Similarly L10 L10. Here you have 5 6 L6. Therefore you have finished LFT also. Then come back to EFT. EFT means early finish time. Early finish time. EFT. EFT means early finishing time. Early finishing time equal to early you will have to finish the job. Early you will have to finish writing the exam. Early finish time. Early finish time means early finish time means you start your exam by 10 o'clock and the duration given in the question will be 3 hours. Starting from 10 a.m. duration given to be 3 hours. You will have to finish early finishing time. Therefore starting point plus duration is your starting time plus duration is your EFT. You will have to start by 10 or 10:15 or 10:25, but you will have to you will have to finish exactly by 1 o'clock. Therefore starting time plus 3. Starting time you may choose 10 o'clock, 10:10, 10:05, 10:20, 10:25, maximum 10:29. After that they may not allow you. Therefore starting time plus duration. Starting time plus duration, that is EFT. Starting time plus duration. Therefore if you consider 1-3 activity, starting time is starting time plus duration. Starting time is E1. E1. Therefore you have E1 plus EFT will be E1 plus duration of the activity 1 to 2. 1 to means starting time here 1 to 2. Therefore you have starting time E1 plus duration of 1 to. Duration of 1 to. Duration of 1 to equal to 4. Therefore 0 plus 4. 0 plus 4. Starting point plus duration of activity 1 to 4. 1 to 4. Then for this 1-3. Starting point 1, that is E1 plus duration. E1 is 0 plus duration. 1-3 duration 1. 1-3 duration 1. Similarly 2-4. E2 plus duration of 2-4. E2 plus duration of 2-4. E2 equal to 4 plus duration of 2 4. 2 4 is 1, but 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1. Then third one, 3 4. This one, 3 4. That is E3 plus duration. E3 plus duration. E3 equal to 1 plus 3 4 duration 1. E3 4 duration. Then 3 5. E3 plus duration 1. E3 equal to 1 plus 1. 3 4. 3 4 is 2. Then E3 equal to, E3 is 1. 3 4 duration. 3 4 duration 1. Therefore 5 2 4 1 1 5 2. Then you consider 3 4. One column left out, 3 4 you have written. Then you have 3 5. E3 plus duration is 6, gentlemen. Here it is 6. Then 4 9. E4 E4 equal to 5. E4 plus duration. E4 equal to 5 plus 4 9. 5 you have taken. 4 9. Duration is 5. Then 5 6. E5 plus duration. E5 equal to 5 plus duration 4. 5 6. Duration is 4. E5 E5 is 7, gentlemen. 7 plus 4. E5 is 7 plus. Then 5 6. E5 you can write E5 plus duration. E5 equal to 7 plus 8. Duration 8. 7 plus 8. And is this one E6 plus duration. E6 plus duration. E6 plus duration equal to E6 equal to 11 plus 1. 11 plus 1. That means you are adding this. And here you have 7 8. 7 8 means 7 plus duration equal to 17. E7 is 15 plus 2. Here it will be 22. Here equal to 20, duration 2 5. This is 7. This is 7. Therefore you have 17. 17, 22, 17, 12, 15, 11, 10, 7, 2, 5, 1, 4. These are the numbers here. Then LST. Next one, next column, LST. Latest starting time equal to latest starting time. You are advised stop by 1 o'clock. Duration is 3. Therefore, what time you should start? By 10 a.m. Even if you are starting late also, you will have to finish by 1 p.m. or 1 noon. Therefore, latest starting time will be 1 p.m. or 1 noon minus duration. 1 noon minus duration, or it is called, one is the, normally one is called LFT, LFT minus duration, LFT minus duration. Therefore, LST equal to, you can even remember this, latest starting time. You will have to finish by 1 p.m., 1 noon. Therefore, you can start by 10 o'clock or 10:15 or 10:30. You will have to finish by that. That is equal to 1 minus duration 3. LFT minus duration. That is filled as LST. LFT is 9. LFT is 9 minus duration is 4. 9 minus 4. Even you can write here, EFT means early finish time, means EST plus duration. EST you are finding, LFT you are finding, then EFT will be early finish time. That is start time plus duration. Start time plus duration. Start time plus duration. Start time plus duration. Similarly, LST equal to LFT minus duration. Here it is plus duration, here it is duration. Here is 1 minus 1. Here it is 10 minus duration. Sorry, L4. L4 minus duration. Minus duration. Duration is 1. 10 minus 1. 9. Here you consider this one and time. Therefore, what you have written? Okay, 10 minus 1. Sorry, 10 minus, what is L4? L4 equal to 10. 10 minus 1, 9. Then 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6. Then next one, 15 minus 5. 15 minus 5, 10. Then 16 minus 4, 12. Then 15 minus 8, 7. Then you have 17 minus 1, 16. Here you have 17 minus 2, 17 minus 2, 15. 22 minus 5, 17. 22 minus 7, 15. Equal to 15. Equal to 15. Therefore, you find EST initially, then you find LFT, that is the finishing time by E1, E2, etc. And this EFT is early finish time. Start by plus duration. EFT means early finish time. 1 o'clock you will start, you will have to finish it. Therefore, you write EST plus D. Whereas in the case of LST, LST means latest finishing time minus duration. So you remember this one you can calculate. You can calculate EFT will be you add duration, LST subtract duration, find this. Find this. Then last column, float is calculated as there are two formulas. Float equal to LFT minus EFT or LST minus EST or LST minus EST or LFT minus EFT. Here F, here F. Starting L, starting E. Starting L, starting E, S, S. LFT minus EFT or that. Now you can consider, let us consider this formula. You can consider this also. See, LFT, you see LFT of the first activity 9. Therefore 9 minus EFT. EFT is this 4. LFT minus EFT. EFT is 4. Therefore 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4. Now you are considering this column and this column alone. Here 1 minus 1, 0. I write 1 minus 1, 0. Then 10 minus 1. 10 minus 5. Sorry, 10 minus 4 plus 1, 5. 10 minus 5. Then 10 minus 2, 8. Then you have 7 minus 7, 0. 15 minus 10. 15 minus 10. Then 16 minus 11. 16 minus 11. Then 15 minus 15. Then 17 minus 12. Then here 17 minus EFT. 17 minus 17, 0. 22 minus 22, 0. 22 minus 17, 5. 17 minus 5. Then you denote or you specify here 1 0, here 1 0, here 1 0, here 2 zeros again. You specify that. You can write, therefore specifying the float value equal to 0, specifying float value equal to 0, specifying that we observe the following result. We observe the following results. Namely, we observe, therefore remember this formula, we observe the following results. Results are, you can consider float here it is 0, therefore 1 3, therefore you have float equal to 0, therefore first activity 1 3, 0 is here, therefore activity 1 3, activity 1 3, duration equal to 1, activity 1 3 and duration 1. Then second 0 is here, that is 3 5, second activity 3 5 equal to 6, sorry, okay, 3 5, then next 0 is 5 7, 5 7, activity duration is 8, is 8, 5 6, sorry, 5 6 alla 5 7, 5 7 is 8, 8, then 5 7 over 1 2 3, okay, then here you have 2 zeros, 7 8, 7 8 equal to 2 and 8 10, 8 10 equal to 5 equal to 22. equal to 22. Therefore, you collect float equal to 0 and collect the activities and write the duration given in the question. Therefore, here again if you come back, in the original network diagram, you specify this by darkening the network. You convert by darkening 1 3, taken care. Then you have 3 5, darken it, or you specify it separately, 3 5. Then you have 5 7, darken it, 5 7. Then you have 7 8, darken this, 7 8. Then 8 10, again darken this, again darken this. Therefore, 1 2 3, 3 5, 5 7, 7 8, 8 10 equal to 22. Therefore, you can write the critical activities are 1 3, 3 5, 5 7, 7 8, 8 10, 8 10 with the duration 1 plus 6 plus 8 plus 2 plus 5 equal to, total equal to 22 months or hours, as you like, 22 equal to 22. Therefore, project duration equal to 22. Project duration equal to 22. Project duration equal to 22. Here we observe the following things also. Following things also. Therefore, this is over. Here we observe the following. Here we observe the following for observation only. Therefore, the final result is this. Final result is this with critical activity. Critical activity. Critical activity means you will have to complete these jobs. You will have to complete these critical activities on the path in order to complete the project. In order to, these activities should be done. These activities should be done in order to complete the activity. In order to complete the activity. You may skip away any other activity, but these activities should be done for completing the project. Therefore, this is the path 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10 is the path with the 22. Then, here we observe the following. Another path can be 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 4, 4, 9, 9, 10. 1, 2, 2, 4, 4, 9, 9, 10. Then you can have second option 1, 3, 4, 9, 10. 1, 3, 4, 9, 10. You can. Third option is 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10. Fourth option is 1, 3, 5, 6, 8, 10. You can reach or complete the project reaching here 1, 2, 4, 9, or you can have 1, 3, 4, 9, 10, or you can have 1, 5, 7, 8, 10 originally, 1, 3, 5, 6, 8, 10. You can just calculate the you can calculate the duration 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 4 hours or 4 months, 4, 1, here it is 5, here it is 7. Therefore, 4, 5, 10, 17. Then 1, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 7, 14. Here it is 22. And 1, 3, 5, 1, 4, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 10, 15. 15. So from this you can observe this is the highest period required, 22. These are the paths given, but this comes under the, that is the maximum duration comes under the critical path. Maximum equal to, here we observe the third option equal to 22 is the critical path. These are critical. Anyhow, we can complete the project by opting 1, 2 or 4 options. 1, 2 or 4 options, but they do not fall under critical activities. They do not fall under critical activities. Therefore, third option is the final critical activity and path. Critical activity and path with duration given. With duration given. With duration given. Now I will give you another example separately in separate sheet of paper as an example. Another example I have shown you separately. I have given you separately. You can just study that as well. I will do one more question under this, a simple question which is of 17 December. Draw a network for the following activities in the construction of a project. In the construction of a project, you can write activity 1 to 2, duration 20, 1 to 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 5. 6 activities, duration 20, 25, 10, 12, 6, 10. 6, 10. Duration activity with 6. Here you can have the solution. Here you have 6 activities. 6 activities. Therefore, network diagram will be as follows. Network diagram will be as follows. You can see 1 to 2. Activity 1 to 2. Therefore, starting point is 1. Starting point is 1. 1 to 2. 1 to 2. 20. Activity A. Then 1 to 3. Again, starting point 1. 1 to 3. 25. Activity B. Arrow 1 to 3, then 2 to 3, okay, 2 to 3, 2 to 3, 2 to 3, sorry, 2 to 3, 2 to 3, 10, another activity C, then 3 to 4, 3 to 4, activity D, 3 to 4, 6, okay. Then 2 to 4, activity 2 to 4, 12, activity E, and 4 to 5, 10, activity F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember 2 to 3, 5. This is your project network diagram. Network diagram. Therefore, next step, network diagram drawn. Next step, calculation of earliest start time and finishing times. Therefore, prior to this A or prior to B activity, nothing specified here. Therefore, you write E1 equal to 0, E2 equal to, from here it starts here. Therefore, E2 equal to E1 plus 20 equal to 20. Then E3, E4, E5, okay, E3, E4, E3 you can think, E3 is starting from here, ending here, therefore E1 plus 25, then 25, E3. Here you will have to remember E3 is reached from 1 to 3 or 2 to 3. Here you write E3 is reached either from 2 or 1, either from 2 or 1, concurring point, 2 or 3, concurring point. Therefore, you take maximum of E2 plus 10 or E1 plus duration. 3 is reached from 1 to 3 or 2 to 3, 2 to 1, either from 2 or 1, Therefore, E2 plus 10 or E1 plus 3. E1 equal to 0, therefore you have E2 equal to 20 plus 10, E2 equal to 20 plus 10, maximum equal to 30, therefore you can write 30. Then E4, again concurrency, E4, you can have maximum of E4, E2 plus duration 12 or E3 plus duration equal to E2 equal to 20 plus 12 or E3 30 plus 6, which is equal to 36, maximum 36. Then E5 equal to E4 plus 10 equal to E4 equal to 36 plus 10, 46. Therefore, immediately write L5, L4 equal to L4, return back this minus 10, 46 minus 10, 46, L3, L2, L1. Now you think of L3 is from here, you can just see that L3 will be from here to this, L3 minus, you can write L4 minus 6, L3 minus 6, L3 equal to 36 minus 6, 30. Here you can see from 3 comes in, not from 2 to this. 2 to 3 is the arrow on the forward motion. Therefore, here this arrow comes down here, about 4 minus 6 equal to 30. Then L2 equal to L4 minus 12. L4 minus L2 equal to 2 can be reached from here or from here. L2 will be minimum of L3 minus duration or L4 minus duration. You are returning that, therefore the arrow changes from here to this. Arrow changes, you can remember arrow changes. Actually it is here, therefore L2 will be L3 minus duration or L4 minus duration. L3 equal to 30 minus 10, 20 or L4 36 minus 12, 24. Therefore minimum 20. L1 equal to, you can write minimum of L2 minus duration or L3 minus duration. L2 equal to 20 minus 20 or L3. 30 minus 20, 25, but the minimum is here, equal to 0. Therefore, L1 equal to 0. L1 equals, therefore you can just L1 equal to E1 equal to L6 equal to this. Therefore, this will be 0, 0. This is 46, 46. 46, 46. Therefore, next step, third step, calculation of total float. Calculation of total float. Calculation of total float. Total float. Total float. First column activity, second column duration, third column as done earlier, we will calculate EST. Okay, you write LFT. Then you have LFT, you have EFT, then you have LST. Therefore, EST you have, LFT, EST, LFT you have, then you have EFT, you have LST. Then you can have the activities 1, 2, 20, 1, 3, 25, 1, 3, 2, 3, 10, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 5, 2, 3, 10, 12, 6, 10. Then EST, early start time, E1 0, 1 3 E1 0, 2 3 E2 equal to 20, again E2 20, E2 E3 30, 4 36, or E4, we say E4, here we say E3. Then LFT, latest finishing time, L1 0, sorry, L2 will be what? L2 is 20, L2 20, then next one 3, L3 equal to 30, then again L3 30, then L4 36, then L4 gone, then again L4 36, and L5 46, L5 46 equal to 46. Therefore, then EFT. EFT means early finish time. LFT you are written early finish time. Early finish time means what? Early finish time means early start time plus duration. Early 1 o'clock you will have to stop it, therefore start by 10 o'clock and the duration that. EFT means early finish time. Therefore this LST means latest start time. That will be LFT minus duration. EFT equal to EST plus duration. LST means activity minus duration. Then, therefore, you consider these two. EFT means EST plus duration 20. EST plus duration. Here it is 25. EST plus, okay. Then here you have 30. Here you have 48. EST plus duration 30, 32, 36 and 46. That is, you are adding these two. This and this considered. Now, therefore, this is over. This will be LST will be LFT minus duration. This minus duration. 0. LFT minus duration 0. Here it is 0. Here it is 20. Here it is 20. Here it is 30 and 10. Therefore, next one, float equal to total float equal to, your formula was there, float equal to LFT minus EFT or LST minus EST. I use LFT minus EFT. LFT minus EFT. LFT 20 minus EFT 20. 20 minus 20 0. Then 30 minus 25. You are considering this column and this column. 5. Here it is 10, 16, 6, 36. Somewhere went wrong, please. Again you calculate EST, LFT. Here it is early finish time. Finish time. EST plus this 20, 25, 30, 32, 32, 36, 46. LST. LFT minus duration. LFT minus duration. LFT minus duration. LFT minus duration. LFT minus, LFT is here, duration. 20, 20, 30. LFT LFT is 46 minus 36 10. And free float equal to LFT minus this. LFT minus EFT 0, 5. Here it is 0. We are considering these two columns. 0, 4. Here it is 0, 0. Here it is 0, then here 0, here 0, here 0, specified. Then you can write here, here the following activities has zero float, namely 1 to 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. 1 to 3, you can mark 1 to T, specify that in the network, original drawn network, 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Then you have 1 to 3. Then you have 1 to 3. Then 2 to 3. Specify that 2 to 3. 3, 4. Specify that 3, 4. And 4, 5. And the duration equal to 1 to 2. 20 plus 12. Sorry. 20 plus 10 plus 6 plus 10, 46. It tallies with this, equal to 46. Equal to 46. Total 40 equal to, therefore you can write the total project time equal to 46 with the critical activities 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3, 4 and 4, 5. With the critical activities with the duration 46. In the same question, they may ask you, find the independent float. Independent float. They may ask you independent float. Independent float. For example, independent float is calculated as follows. 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 Consider an activity 2 3. Consider an activity 2 3 with the duration 4. Consider an activity A starting from 2 ending at 3 with the duration 4. Its independent float equal to defined as E3 minus L2 minus duration of 2 3. Independent float of 2 3 is defined as E3 minus L2 minus duration. E3 minus L2 minus duration. Therefore, in the case of 1 2, you have E2 minus L1 minus duration of 1 2 equal to E2 means E2 is 20 minus L1 0 minus duration of 1 2 20 equal to 0. Then for the second one, again that is 1 3. 1 3 means E3 minus L1 minus duration of 1 3 equal to E3. E3 is 30 minus L1 0 minus duration of 1 3 25 equal to 5. Then for the third one 2 3, E3 L2 minus duration 10, duration of 2 3 equal to E3 30 minus 2 3 E3 minus L2 20 minus 2 3 10 equal to 0. Then for 2 4s, E3 4 L2 minus duration of 2 4 equal to E4 36 minus L2 20 minus 2 4 12 4. The others will be 30 minus L3 equal to 30, 3 4 E3 equal to 30 minus 30 minus 36 minus 30 equal to 0, and the last one will be similarly 46 36 10 equal to 0. That is your independent float. Then another one, in the case of, they may ask you, in the case of free float, this is independent float. Another one, free float. Consider activity 2 3. Consider activity 2-3 with duration 3. Duration 3. Therefore, free float is defined as E3 minus E2 minus duration of 2, 3. E3 minus E2 minus duration of 3. E3 will be given or obtained, E2 obtained, and duration. Similarly, if it is 3, 4, free float will be E4 minus E3 minus duration of 3, 4. One example, another example, this. So, independent float is important, whereas the other one, they have not so far asked, free float. Free float. Okay. That is about network and critical path method. Critical path method. You can critical path method. You can expect as a compulsory question under CPM, under critical path method. Critical path method. You can expect 20 marks out of this critical path method alone, or we say CPM, calculation of L1, L2, L3, etc. Similarly, total float, you will have formula LFT minus EFT, LFT minus EFT, or free float. Then now the next class we will have program, next chapter, program evaluation and review technique. Program evaluation and review technique, which is called a PERT. You can expect one question either from CPM or from PERT. Here you are using only one formula, one or two formulas, and solving the question.